आज के लेक्चर 3 में हम इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स की दो एप्लीकेशन को डिस्कस करेंगे. नंबर 1 is xerography and other will be inkjet printer. Xerography is actually a copying process. Zero means dry and graphy means writing. Main component of the photocopying machine is the aluminium cylinder, here as shown in the figure. Aluminium cylinder. This cylinder is coated with the selenium. What is aluminium? Aluminium is a good conductor, but selenium is photoconductor. Photoconductor means when light is switched off, it is not conducting, but when light falls on selenium, it becomes conducting. That is why it is called photoconductor. The positive charge is spread over the selenium. The charge will remain on the surface of the drum as long as there is no light, means dark. When light falls here from the lamp and the light falls on the drum, the electrons from the aluminium pass through and selenium becomes conducting selenium and neutralizes the positive charge. This light transfers the image of the page to the drum, and the dark area retains positive charge, but the light area becomes conducting, lose positive charge and becomes the neutral. This drum collects negative charge dry ink from the toner, where it sticks to the positive charge area. The ink from the drum is transferred to the sheet and on which the document is to be copied. Heated heated pressure rulers melt the ink on the paper. Here they melt the ink on the paper to produce the permanent print of the document. The second application of electrostatics is the inkjet printer, and its working is also very simple. The inkjet printer uses electric charge for working. So ink is here, ink supply is present, sent into the upward by the pump and sent through the small nozzle forced with high pressure and extremely small droplets. These droplets move through the two plates. One is the charging electrodes and other is the deflecting plate. There are two plates, charging electrodes and second is the deflecting plate. Charging electrodes are used to charge the ink droplets and which are not needed for the paper. So these charged droplets are passed through the deflecting plate and sent to the gutter because these are not required on the paper. The remaining uncharged ink droplets pass through the deflecting plates and striking on the paper. So when the print had moved over the paper which is to be inked, the charging control turns off the charging electrodes.